So let us begin. No, nobody has heard about jazz. Bani is saying yes. Yes, Punya is saying yes. Correct. It is a kind of music, right? Jazz is a kind of music. So same way this poetry, jazz poetry, you can say we can sing song this poetry. We can, this poetry is related to rhythm. Rhythm is there whenever we recite this poem. And if I want to connect rappers today, rappers are there, so many rappers are there, and the way they sing, that is, you can say, a kind of jazz poetry, but jazz music is totally different. Rhythm is there, and through that jazz poetry, poets, what they used to do, they used to highlight a topic, they used to give message. Is it okay? So this is all about jazz poetry. Let us see. Yes, yes, Ananya, I have read that your answer is correct, but I'm not able to read it because I have to begin the poem. Otherwise, I have read your answer is correct. This poem is about. So let's start page number 107. As I grew older. It was a long time. See, you can sing song this poetry also, but I'm going to simply recite this. It was a long time ago. I have almost forgotten my dream. Again, this poem is in first person narrative, right? The poet is writing his own experience. He is telling his own experience, correct? So, it was a long time ago. I have almost forgotten my dream. But it was there then, in front of me, bright like a sun, my dream. Now, what the poet is saying that he starts remembering, you can say, in the first stanza, he starts remembering that once he had a dream, and what happened that he used to have a dream long time ago. Now he has nearly forgotten that dream. He has almost forgotten that dream. And then he said that long time ago, when that dream was there, during that time, what was the thing, that it was the dream which shine like it, the dream was shining like a sun, bright like a sun. It was so strong, means he wants to achieve, he wants to fulfill that dream. It was strong, right? It was bright like sun. He has compared it with the sun. Can anyone tell me the poetic device used here? It was bright like sun. Which poetic device is used here? It was there then, in front of me, bright like sun. Which poetic device is used here? Bright like sun. Okay. Symbolism, Anjani is saying. I know, Punya, irony is not there, it is simile. It is simile, yes. Avni, you can say symbolism also, but basically it is simile because like is used, right? And dream is compared with the sun. It was bright like sun now. Now he is saying once he had a dream, which he has almost forgotten, right? Now he will tell why he has forgotten his dream. What happened that he has to forget his dream? Then he said, and then the wall rose slowly, slowly between me and my dream. Now what happened? Why he forgot? He has forgotten about his dream because a wall started rising slowly. A wall is there, and that wall is rising slowly. Now, what kind of wall is there? So he said that, then he said, the wall, shadow, between me and my dream, rose until it touched the sky. Means that wall, it rose so high that it started touching the sky. Means it was at its peak, right? If he is saying that it started touching the sky, that is not the reality. It means that wall, that whatever that thing was there, it was at its peak. Basically, the wall is the symbol of discrimination, racial discrimination, which he was facing. Is it okay? Because during that time, what was the scenario? It was that Afro Americans, they were not given enough chances, they were not given, you can say, all rights which they should enjoy. Means there is a discrimination between white and black. If you have read this in history, racial discrimination between white and black. right? So that was prevalent then. And then he said, he was talking about that only. So he said that there was a wall between him and his dream. And that wall means that racial discrimination was rising daily, and it was at its peak. Now what happened? He said, the wall, shadow. It means he is saying that now the dream that was bright as sun, that was bright like sun, was dark. Means now he was not able to see that dream. Now, what was the reason? The reason was the wall has blocked his dream. And because of that wall, because of that racial discrimination, he is not able to see his dream clearly. Means maybe somebody has suppressed him. He was not given enough chances to prove himself. That is why he said that the wall covered his dream. The wall stood between him and his dream. And because of that, now his dream was in dark. He is not the dream once, the dream was bright like sun, right? And now he was not able to see his dream because of the wall of discrimination. I lie down in the shadow. This line means I lie down in shadow. He feels helpless. He is disappointed. I lie down in shadow. Shadow means now he was lying down in darkness, right? Why? Because the wall is there. He is not able to pursue anything. He is not able to fulfill his dreams. Maybe not enough chances were given to him. So he said that what he was doing, he was just helpless. No longer the light of my dream before me, above me, only the thick wall. So he said, what he is saying, that no longer the light of my dream before me. He said that there is no hope to achieve the dream. He has lost all hopes. He said that no hope to achieve the dream. And then he said that above me, instead, the dream that was, you can say, priority to him, now it was nowhere. He was not thinking about the dream. It was not at the topmost position, because it was covered by the wall of discrimination. Then he said, only the thick wall. And what instead of his dream, what he was able to see instead of his dream, he was just able to see the wall of discrimination, wall of restrictions, injustice, inequality. These things were there, and he was facing all these problems. And because of these problems, it is not just the wall of bricks and cement. It was the wall of discrimination, inequality, and then injustice. So many restrictions were there. So he said that because of those things, he was not able to see his dream that once shone like sun. Now only the shadow. What he was able to see, he was able to see a thick wall and shadow. That's it, nothing. Then my hands, my dark hands. Now what he is saying, he said that his hands, dark hand means that it was his color. Because of that racial discrimination based on totally on color. So he said that my dark hands means he was referring to the color of his body. He said that my hands, my dark hands break through the wall, find my dream. Now he is talking about his own hands. He said that only he can break the wall. Nobody else can break the wall. Only he can break the walls. That is true. If you want to achieve anything, if you want to fulfill your dream, only you can work for that. Only you can put your efforts to fulfill that dream. Nobody else can. Maybe suppose you have a dream to become a pilot, right? I don't think I can do anything. I can just guide you, but it is only you who will put efforts, who will study hard and then work hard towards your dream, right? So he said that yes, that time he realizes from now onwards means my hands, my dark hands. From this point, he said that now I have realized that only I can fight for my dream. Nobody else will do this. And he said that only I can break the wall of discrimination, right? And then help me to shatter this darkness, to smash this night, to break this shadow. into 1,000 lights of sun, into 1,000 whirling dreams of sun. So what he said that he wants, now he has decided, he wants to break the wall. He has decided that now he will break the wall of discrimination, inequality, and injustice. So he said that he wants to break the wall. Help me to shatter his dream. He said that only his hands can help him to shatter his dreams. And then he said, he will shatter everything. He will smash the darkness. He will break the darkness. Then what he will do? What means not only darkness, darkness here means the things which are coming between him and his dream. So he said that he will break everything that will come between him and his dream. And then he said that one day he will fulfill his dream. It means he is hopeful. He is not hopeless now. He is hopeful. He said that now, yes, I have realized only I can achieve my dream. Only I can work for to fulfill my dream, and only he can break the wall. So he has realized this thing. So he said that he will break the wall. He will break everything. He will face all the obstacles, all the hurdles. He will cross all the hurdles to fulfill his dream. Nobody else will come. And he said that yes, he has already wasted so much time, but now he will do something to achieve his dream. Adish, it means break. Okay, break. So I'll read again. I think I have missed one line, very important line that is. So I'll read again. It was a long time ago. I have almost forgotten my dream, but it was there, then in front of me, bright like a sun. My dream. And then the wall rose slowly, slowly, between me and my dream, rose until it touched the sky, the wall, shadow. He was talking about why he forgot his, why did he forget his dream? What was the reason? He was talking about all that things, right? Then he said, I am black, right? This line is very, very important, that I am black. This is the first time that the poet mentions why the wall was there. The reason of the wall was his color. Because of his color means he was black. Because of that reason, he was not able to achieve his dream. This was the reason. This is the first time the poet has mentioned why the wall was there, why the wall was rising slowly. So he said, because I am black. So second meaning of this part is I am black means he was hopeless. He was not able to see anything. He was totally black. Black means darkness, right? So he said that the dream that was shining like sun, that was giving brightness to him, light to him, now that light was blocked by the wall of discrimination. So he said that he was just black. Everything was black. He was not able to see anything. He was not able to see his dream, right? So these are the two meanings of this line, I am black. First, he was talking about his color, means why the racial discrimination was there. Because of racial discrimination, he was not able to achieve his dream. He was not given enough chances to prove himself. And then second is because of that black, I am black means he was totally hopeless, disappointed, sad, right? Why he was sad? Because he was not able to achieve his dream. So this is all about this poem. And if I am not wrong, this poem is basically about the dreams that the poet was unable to achieve because of racial discrimination. But later on, he realizes that only he can fight for his dream, no matter how difficult the situation is, no matter how many hurdles he has to cross, only he can fight for his dream. So at that time, when he realizes this, he is now ready to fight for his dream. He is now ready to break the wall that is coming between him and his dream. And once you realize this, that only you have to do the work, only you have to fulfill your dream, nobody can stop you. So that is all about this poem. If you have any doubt, you can ask, and then we'll move to question answers. Yes. But when discrimination ends, then yes, Prabal, why should we wait for the discrimination to end? Why can't we fight for that discrimination? What do you say? Means you will keep on waiting for the discrimination to end. Suppose you are in a some line, some queue, and you are waiting for food. And what you will do? You will wait for the line to finish, and then you will get the food. What if that food, maybe the people, other people are very hungry? They will not leave the food. They will eat. Yes, Akul, we have to fight for equality. We have to fight against injustice. I am not saying that you have to fight for everything. Don't start fighting for everything now from today onwards. That ma'am has said that fight for everything. You are fighting with your mom. I want this, I want that. I'm not saying this. Please don't do this. Okay? Just fight for the things which are right, not for the things which are wrong. Please don't ask for the playstations or the games, or you want to watch the cartoons or movies. Don't fight for those things. Those things are not at all injustice or inequality or discrimination. Okay, so don't fight for those things. But what you can do is you can fight for the fight for your dream. Ultimately, fight for your good marks. For you, it is good marks. Yes, fight for good marks. Clear? So now, any other doubt? Okay, the poet had a dream, but in the corner of the heart, he remembered. Okay, Asta has given the first answer. So let's start. I'll read the question first. Page number 108. Wait, Toranya, wait, I'll read. What did the poet have a long time ago? Does he remember it? So I got the answer. The poet had a dream long time ago. When he was a child, he has almost forgotten his dream. Now he has almost forgotten his dream. As he grew up, he experienced prejudice and racial discrimination, and his dreams were shattered. Correct, Toranya? Correct. You have given the reason also. And let me read. Asa, if you can send your answer again. The poet had a dream, but in the corner of. Wait. The poet had a dream, but in the corner of heart, he remembers it, although he almost. Yes, correct answer, Asta. Asta's answer is also correct. So, answer is, what did the poet have a long time ago? The poet had a dream, right? The poet had a dream, and then does he remember it? No, he has almost forgotten his dream. And if you want to add, you can add why he has forgotten about his dream. As Taranya has written, because of racial discrimination, inequality, injustice, he has almost forgotten about his dream. No, Adesh, what are you saying? You are under 14, so our parents cannot say us to do work. Then it becomes child labor. Are you serious? That is child labor. Child labor means if you are working somewhere in some shop, some hotels and restaurants, that is child labor. Not that if you are helping your mother or father in their household or anything. That is not at all child labor. What are you saying? Okay, you want to sit just in a free, you can say in leisure and throughout the day doing nothing. That is not feasible, okay? Yes, helping parents is not at all child labor. See, your parents are working hard. You should help them. They are actually they are working to fulfill your dreams. It should be you who should work towards it, but your parents are giving their best to fulfill your dreams, right? Yes, Prabal, I also think he is very lazy. So let's discuss next question. What has happened to the dream? What has happened to the poet's dream? Okay, Toranya has given the answer. When the poet was young, he had dreams of achieving great things. Okay, his dreams were bright like a sun. But okay, again, because of prejudice and other things. Yes, just wait. Ananya has said, as I grew older, the Langston Hughes is the poem about the dreams that the poet was unable to achieve because of racial subjugation. Okay. The poet in his childhood had dreams, but as time passed, he was not able. Okay. Correct. So, what has happened to the dream? It was shattered because of discrimination, inequality, and injustice. Okay. Ananya, your answer is correct. Absolutely correct. but use the words which you can easily write. Earlier, the dream was bright like a sun, but now it was stopped, blocked. Anmol used the word blocked. Blocked by the wall of discrimination, injustice, which grew slowly until it was at its peak. Correct answer, Anmol. Yes, Asta, you can give the second answer. Keep on giving the answers. I'll read. And if you want to speak, just tell me. Okay, can you please read? Help me to shatter this darkness to the last end. Lavish, in this last stanza, the poet is just saying that he wants to fight for his dream. Okay, and he is saying that help me means he said that only he can help himself, only he can help to break the, only his hands can help him to break the wall. Nobody else will come to help him. Only he can help himself to break the wall, to achieve his dreams. And then he said that he will smash everything, he will break everything, the things that will come, that are coming between him and his dreams. So he is saying that he will break everything, whatever is coming between him and his dreams. So that is the things he wanted to convey. Dennis Avni is saying the poet had a dream which was like a sun, is covered with huge wall of discrimination, and the poet is behind the wall in shadow. Correct, Avni. Correct answer. Okay, Adesh, I got it. Don't worry. It is okay. Avni's answer is correct. They are missing a point. Yes, Asta. When he was young, he wanted to achieve his dream, but as he grew older, the wall of discrimination. Correct, Paramjeet. Prabal, your answer is also correct. Adesh, it is okay. It is okay. Yes, Avni, your answer is correct. Yes, Asta, I'll unmute you. Just wait. Wait a second. Asta is saying you all are missing one point. Let us see. Yes, Asta, please unmute yourself.
मैम वो एक पॉइंट मिस कर रहे हैं कि
yes,
ये उसने उसके ड्रीम को कब हुआ, जो भी हुआ था उसके ड्रीम को, तो मेरा आंसर है when he had almost forgotten it, a wall rose high between he and his dream until it touched the sky. Now he can only see the shadow, not the light that was lit before. Now
Okay,
he is black just like his shadow.
Yes, correct. So if you want to repeat, please repeat. Asta? Okay, I'll repeat. It is that there was wall and he was now covered with shadow. It is up to you how you write. Correct? It is your wording. So I will not say that you want to write or you should write this or that. The way Asta has explained, that is totally correct. Punya is saying he has a dream bright like a sun. Punya, that is now the wall has covered with it with racial discrimination, and when the wall rose, he can't even see his dream. Yes, Punya, correct answer. So I think you got the answer. Next is, what change has the poet undergone? What change? Okay. Ananya is saying, as he moved through his life, the poet felt unable to go out into the sun that once held his dreams. He moves now in the shadows of life. He can no longer see the bright dreams that he had as a naive child. Okay, the wall of. Okay. Yes, Ananya, I'll unmute you. Please give answer. Ananya, your answer is absolutely correct. Yes, Ananya, please answer.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
The poet has undergone through many ups and downs in life. When he was a child, he had a bright dream of achieving great things in his life. As he grew up, his dream got shattered due to inequality and racial discrimination in the society. The wall of racism grew higher until it blocked his childhood dreams, causing him to live in a shadow of depression. But he decided to fight against this growing wall of injustice. He believes he can break through the barrier of being born with a black skin in a white dominant society. So he moves toward hope and strength.
Okay, correct. It is basically the summary of this poem. You will write every change. Means you will write that when he was child, he had a dream, and as he grew, he had almost forgotten his dream. And why he has forgotten his dream? Because of the discrimination, inequality, and all the things. Then what happened? Now later on, as now he is older, so at that he is old, that time he realizes that only he can fight. So you will write about all ups and downs he has faced. Just wait, I'll read Avni's answer. Now the poet has understood that no one would come to help him to break that huge wall. The poet himself has to break the wall of injustice. Correct, Avni? But just introduce the first part also, that what happened in his childhood. Asta is saying his dream was a bright spotlight in the sky before, but it changed into shadow. He grew older and become dark in heart, and now he can only see his dark hands, thick wall and shadows. His dream was a bright. Okay, correct, Asta. Correct. Yes. So you have to write everything, how he has the dream, how he had almost forgotten his dream, and then how he realized that only he has to fight for his dream. Okay. So you will write everything. Then what all does the poet want to break, smash, and shatter? This is simple. What all does the poet want to break, smash, and shatter? Okay, the poet uses the metaphor of the wall to represent racism, yes, and prejudice that shattered dreams of the child, for the child. As he moved through his life, the narrator felt unable to go out into the sun that once held. Okay, correct, Ananya. Yes, Akul, correct. Racial discrimination. What all does the poet want to break? He wants to break the wall of racial discrimination. Anmol is saying the poet wants to break the wall of inequality. He wants to smash the night of discrimination and wants his hands to help him in shattering the darkness of injustice and to open the window of his dreams. Very appropriate answer, Anmol. You have included everything. I'll repeat. The poet wants to break the wall of inequality. He wants to smash the night of discrimination and wants his hands to help him in shattering the darkness of injustice and to open the window of his dream. Correct. Adil, obviously I have to upload this video. Then, okay, Prabal, you want to speak third, fourth? We have already discussed this. So Rania is saying the poet wants to break, smash, and shatter anything that stood between him and his dream. He wants to break the wall that divided his dream and threw up the shadow that covered him with racism. He wanted to smash all the barriers. Correct, Rania, correct. Asta is saying he wants to break through the wall and shadow. He wants to smash the night and shatter all the darkness that is in the sky. He wants to make it in pieces and fix to make thousands of lights. Correct, Asta. So the answers that you have given, all the answers are correct. Now last, how does the poet help to recapture his dream? How does the poet help to recapture his dream? Yes? Samiksha, I'll give you your answer, just wait. Okay, the poet hopes to recapture his dream by shattering the wall between into 1,000 lights of sun. Okay. Okay, Prabal, you want to speak? Just wait. I'll unmute you. Yes, Prabal?
The poet breaks the wall of discrimination, injustice, and inequality. The poet shutter this darkness and smash this night and break this shadow to find his dream.
Okay, yes. So basically, what he wanted to do, how he will recapture his dream by smashing, breaking, and shattering the wall of discrimination, and only he can do it. Yes, Ananya, your answer is correct. So, any doubt? Yes, any doubt? No? Okay, he hopes to recapture the dream by removing the obstacles and darkness by filling it with happiness and lights. Okay, he wants to find the dream that is lost. Correct answer, Asta. Correct. Bani, I have just repeated the answer. No, Harman. He hopes to recapture the dream by removing the obstacles and darkness by filling it with happiness and lights. He wants to find the dream that is lost. Means how he will recapture. He will, in you can say easy words, he will smash the things or smash the wall or the racial discrimination, inequality, injustice, or whatever is coming between him and his dream. He will break everything. He will overcome these obstacles. And what he will do after overcoming these obstacles, he will definitely find his dream. Correct? Bani, I have repeated. I hope you got the answer. Shreya, the poet hoped to recapture his dream by breaking the wall of racism in 2000. Yes, Shreya, correct answer. So Bhavika is saying no doubt. What about others? No doubt. We still have time. Let us discuss answer A2. Or if you have your doubts, you can ask the doubts. No doubt. Okay then. Okay then. But it was there, then, in front of me, bright like a sun. What is it being referred to in the above lines? Okay. Correct, Ananya. Correct, Anjani. No, Punya. Toranya, correct answer. It is dream. His dream. Okay. You will not, it is not wall. It is poet's dream. Yes, Prabal, correct answer. Dream. Harman, I have read and I have given you the answer. No. You will appear in online exams only. Yes, Gurnoor, just wait. Yes, Gurnoor.
मैम क्या आप लेसन 9 और लेसन 11 की बैक एक्सरसाइज दोबारा से शेयर कर सकते हो ग्रुप में
बच्चे,
बैक एक्सरसाइज
haven't discussed that exercise. We will discuss that exercise and then I will share the answers. Okay. Tomorrow we'll
ओके थैंक यू मैम
So, Akshima. Akshima, I have sent the video today also. You will get to know. The wall that separates is discouragement. Okay. Asa, your answer is correct, but yes, answer A3. First, we are discussing exercise A2. Let us complete that. So next is, why isn't it bright like a sun anymore? Means why his dream is not bright like sun anymore? Because of thick wall of discrimination. Correct. Poet's dream was not bright like a sun anymore due to the wall of the racial discrimination. Correct. Avnesh saying the dream is not bright like a sun anymore because the wall of discrimination has grown slowly and is on its peak. Correct answer. So your answer is correct. Anmol is saying because it is hidden by the, yes, hidden, covered, blocked. You can write anything. Okay. Last is, what must be done to make it shine again? What must be done to make it shine again? Hurry up. To stand up and fight with that. Okay. Correct, Ananya. Has to break the wall of racial discrimination. Correct. He has to, the wall must be broken. So Ananya, it is the wall must be broken. Okay. Wall must be broken, end of discrimination. Arish, you will write how the wall should be broken. Fight against all the obstacles. Yes. Okay.